How to create a QR code for anything. This is a very quick and easy tutorial. Let me show you how. Smartphone users can use QR codes to retrieve information. Instead of inputting a website, they simply need to point their camera at the QR code and tap to scan it. The QR code provides access to a wide range of resources, including websites, presentations, Wi-Fi access points, business cards, and details, such as operating times and locations, as well as social media platforms. Let me show you how. For instance, I'm going to share a QR code from my YouTube account, which is my YouTube content. So all I have to do is to go to Google Chrome and type YouTube. Now, all you have to do is to go to your channel and then look for the video that you wanted to share to your friends or to your family. So click this one here. Now, when you click this video, you have to tap the share icon. And then when you see the share icon, you can see your QR code. So all you have to do is to tap this one. Now you have choices. You can download this one, you can screenshot so that you can share this QR code to your friends. So as you can see, I am downloading a QR code. Then I can also share this one or take a screenshot like what I did here in the video. So there, this is just an example, and your other social media platforms, they have QR codes too. So all you have to do is to find it, and then after that, you can share these QR codes to anyone. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.